enter invite code on Blue Sky app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to enter invite code in your Blue Sky app. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just search for Blue Sky app. And once you're there, just install the application in your device, and once the application is installed in your device, just click on open, and after that just simply open your Blue Sky app. And here you have two options. Either you can go ahead and sign in your account if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account already, just click on create a new account, and while creating your account you will be able to enter the invite code for the Blue Sky app. So in the first step, you need to enter your account details like your email address and the password and your date of birth and other details. So I'm just entering my email address. Just choose a very strong password here, and after that just click on next. And after that you need to select your handle name. So just give your handle any name, and after that on the next page you will get the option to enter the invite code. So just simply enter the invite code, just click on next and enter the invite code. And once you enter the invite code, then you have to mention that you are a human and complete this task. And once it is done, then your profile has been created. Just select the interest that you have, and after that you can also follow the accounts that the platform is showing you initially. If you don't want to follow them now, just click on skip, and after that just click on continue, and just click on let's go. So now your account for the Blue Sky app has been created, and you have also entered the invite code while creating an account. So this is basically how you will be able to enter your invite code on your Blue Sky app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.